Over this course, we've journeyed from the fiery heart of our planet, exploring how primordial and radiogenic heat create an internal furnace, to the complex engineering on its surface. We've seen how natural hydrothermal systems work like underground pressure cookers, and how we can now engineer our own reservoirs with technologies like EGS. Geothermal energy's potential is undeniable. It's a clean, constant power source literally beneath our feet. But to fully realize that potential, and for geothermal to take its rightful place in our global energy transition, we must look forward with a clear understanding of the challenges the industry faces and the incredible innovations that define its future. To expand globally, geothermal must overcome several key challenges. The most significant remains the financial hurdle. As we've discussed, geothermal has extremely high upfront capital costs, with the bulk of the expense occurring before the plant generates any revenue at all. This makes achieving a competitive LCOE, or levelized cost of energy, dependent on long-term visioning and financing. This financial profile is compounded by geological and exploration risk. Even with the best 3D modeling, there's always the risk that a multi-million-dollar well will underperform, failing to find the necessary temperature or permeability. Public perception and policy are also critical. We must continue to responsibly manage environmental concerns like induced seismicity. While typically limited to non-damaging micro-earthquakes that are carefully monitored, clear public communication and engagement are essential for project acceptance. Furthermore, the industry relies on stable long-term policy support, like tax incentives and grants, to de-risk initial exploration and spur investment. Finally, scaling up requires a skilled workforce. Meeting future demands means investing in university programs and vocational training to cultivate the next generation of geologists, engineers, drillers, and technicians needed to build and operate geothermal plants of the future. But for every challenge, the industry is pioneering a solution. The future of geothermal is incredibly bright, driven by relentless innovation. The most transformative trend remains Enhanced Geothermal Systems, or EGS. By allowing us to create human-made reservoirs in hot, dry rock, EGS is the key to unlocking geothermal energy almost anywhere, shattering the geographic constraints that once limited it to volcanic or tectonically active regions. Pushing the frontier even further are advanced and unconventional systems. Scientists are developing technologies to tap heat directly from magma chambers, extract multiple forms of energy from high-pressure geopressured zones, and even generate electricity from the hot water co-produced during oil and gas operations. The future is also integrated. Hybrid systems will pair geothermal's 24/7 baseload power with intermittent renewables, providing the foundational stability needed for a reliable grid when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. And we can't forget the growing importance of direct use. Using Earth's heat not just for electricity, but for heating entire districts like in Iceland, growing food year-round in geothermally heated greenhouses, powering aquaculture, and supporting industrial processes represents a massive opportunity to decarbonize our economies far beyond the power sector. The challenges are real, but the path forward is clear and is being paved by human ingenuity. Through continued investment in research, the development of groundbreaking technologies, and the implementation of smart, stable policies, geothermal energy is poised to become a cornerstone of the global energy transition. It is more than just a power source. It is a domestic, reliable, and sustainable resource that offers true energy independence and lasting economic opportunity to nations around the world. It is a story of turning geological challenges into engineering triumphs, and it remains Earth's ancient, yet ever-evolving, gift to humanity.